We've all been there, staring at a screen, the clock ticking away, and that nagging feeling that you should be doing something else. Anything else. The laundry, that email you've been avoiding, maybe even that big project that's been hanging over your head. And what do? We reach for our phones, scroll through social media, anything to avoid the task at hand. Procrastination. It's the thief of productivity, the monster under the bed of our goals. But what if I told you there's a simple, science-backed trick to beat procrastination, and it only takes 5 minutes? Stay tuned, because this is going to change everything. In the 1920s, Lithuanian psychologist Bluma Zeigarnik made a fascinating discovery. She noticed waiters could remember complex orders accurately, but only before the food was served. Once the order was complete, gone from their memory. This is the Zeigarnik Effect in action. Our brains hold on to unfinished business. Use this brain quirk to supercharge your productivity. Here's where the magic happens. Choose that task that's been looming over you, the one you keep putting off. Got it? Good. Now, set a timer for just 5 minutes. That's it. Now, here's the key. Dive into that task with everything you've got for those 5 minutes. Focus. Be present. Don't overthink it. Just start working on it. When the timer goes off, stop. Walk away. You might be surprised to find that you actually want to keep going. But even if you don't, you've just activated the Zeigarnik Effect. That unfinished task is now lodged in your brain, and your mind will start working on it even when you're not. Why this works. The science behind the magic. Remember Bluma and those waiters? Our brains leaving things undone. It creates a mental tension, an itch we need to scratch. Start a task for 5 minutes. Activate this tension. Like opening a puzzle box but not finishing it. Your brain craves closure. Train your brain to associate starting with finishing. It's like building a mental muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. And the easier it becomes to overcome procrastination and get things done. From tiny steps to giant leaps. Putting the 5-minute trick into action. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mel, this sounds great for small tasks, but what about the big, hairy, audacious goals? Here's the beauty of it. The 5-minute trick works for anything. Break down those massive projects into smaller, more manageable 5-minute chunks. Write 1 paragraph of that report. Clean out 1 drawer. Take 5 minutes to brainstorm ideas for that business you've been dreaming of starting. Remember, momentum is everything. Those 5 minutes add up. And before you know it, you'll be well on your way to achieving even your biggest dreams. The challenge. Are you ready to take back your time? So, there you have it. The 5-minute trick, a simple, science-backed tool to conquer procrastination and unlock your productivity. But here's the thing. Knowledge without action is it's just procrastination in disguise. I challenge you to try it today, right now. What's that one task you've been putting off? Set your timer for 5 minutes, and let's do this. Share your experience in the comments below. What did you accomplish in those 5 minutes? How did it feel to finally make progress? Join the movement. Let's get things done. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Don't let procrastination rob you of your potential. The 5-minute trick is your secret weapon. Use it wisely, my friend. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more productivity tips and life hacks. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now go out there and make it happen.